he decides that he is going to rape a lady. He decides that he's going to rape a lady. We know that rape is a complete offense, not so. Yes. And before rape can be formed, there must be culpable mens rea and culpable actus reus. So now, when he decides to go and rape a lady, the mens rea is present already. But I have told you in this class that the criminal law does not concern itself with the evil thoughts of men alone. Before the criminal law comes in to punish anybody, in addition to the criminal intention, which is the mens rea, there must be some culpable action or act here. That is the actus reus. But in what we are studying today, we know that rape, the actus reus, we will get there, is when you have penile penetration. Penile penetration of the vagina. So when you use your penis to penetrate somebody's vagina against the person's consent, we call it what? Rape. But this gentleman has already formed the intention to rape. Mens rea is present. Then he tells himself that, okay, this lady that I'm going to rape, because she is not in the mood for sex, she might be dry. So let me get lubricant, good one. Then he gets his lubricant. After that, he gets a piece of cloth that he will use to tie her lips if she wants to make noise. She has got that one. Then he gets another thing. Then he gets a bicycle that he will use to go to the place. You see that this guy is doing what? He is preparing to go there. Then when he has finished preparing, he tells me that, Charlie, okay, I go to his room and say, why the bicycle and the lubricant that I'm going to rape today? And these are my gadgets. Now, when he tells me he's going to rape, and he has identified his victim, and I get to know that he has acquired and kept in his custody the lubricant, the condom, the bicycle, and the piece of cloth. Let's stop here and ask ourselves, in addition to the mens rea, he has done something also. Yes. This thing that he has done, it takes his mens rea a step ahead into actus reus, even though he hasn't gone to the lady's house. So in criminal law, we want to say that when a person has the culpable mens rea and he demonstrates any further action, we must punish him as if he has done what he intends to do. And that is why the criminal law evolved and developed these inchoate offenses. So inchoate offenses mean incomplete offenses. Inchoate means incomplete. Incomplete in the sense that when you buy condom and lubricant, you haven't raped anybody, have you? No. But it is an action in furtherance of your intention. So when we talk about inchoate offenses, we are talking about those offenses which are steps towards the commission of substantive offenses. Those offenses which are committed when one takes steps to commit certain substantive or complete offenses. So inchoate means incomplete. Now in Ghanaian criminal law, when we say inchoate offenses, we are talking basically about four things. Four things. And this thing I have done here, if you want to learn smartly, this is what you do. Inchoate offense is PART. PART means preparation, attempt, conspiracy, abetment. So when you are preparing for any exam or you are preparing your notes and you know that inchoate offenses come under the acronym PART, you are good to go. This is how we learn smartly. But some of you will try to chew, then you say the first one is what?